Let's see what we get in our window cleaning kit today. It's a microfiber squeegee window cleaner. It comes with 2 microfiber pads, so you can change one out if the other is dirty. And then this is our squeegee. It looks quite sturdy. The handle is adjustable, so you just put it where you want it and lock it in place. So that's quite convenient for tight spaces. So we have 2 microfiber pads, squeegee, and we have a spray bottle and the extended rod. It's easy to assemble the pieces and it's adjustable. Just make sure that you tighten it very well so it will stay nice and firm while you clean your window. And it's very easy to switch between the microfiber head and the squeegee. Just press the button, pull it out, then snap it back in. And you'll end up with this piece that you don't really need because each head came with their own. All you have to do is switch out the head and you're good. And in addition to the angles that you can get from the handle alone, you also have the squeegee where you can pull it down to one end to fit into the tight spaces. The rod is adjustable as short as 36 inches or as long as 58 inches. So let's clean our window now. I'm quite impressed by this window cleaner. This is a huge window and the microfiber cloth worked well, and the squeegee works even better, and the rod is very nice and sturdy. When I was done, I had clean, clear windows, and the cloth was very easy to wash with just warm water. Then I put it to dry so I can have it for further use.